Neo, a company that continues to innovate at a massive rate and build out a business model that will cause it to become a behemoth, a business model that ensures we will be the future of gas stations. Tesla, dog poop, cat poop, rat poop, and bat poop, has proven yet again last night that it's going to be a failed company. It has a failed business model. And I've been saying this, we've been saying this on this channel for over a year, but no one wanted to listen. So some people said that, well, he's making a Model 2. Forget the robo-taxi now. The robo-taxi, they said, even if it's not next year and the year after and the year after that and the year after that, there's a Model 2 coming that will be cheaper than the Model 3. And I said the Model 3 is already a disaster, horrific junk that's falling apart. Imagine the Model 2. So they made an assumption. And you know what they say about assumptions. When you make an assumption, you make an ass out of you an umption. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. Tesla stock slumps after cyber crap. Well, they say cyber cab, but I call it cyber crap. Unveiling fails to impress investors. Surprise, surprise. Tesla shares sank Friday the morning after its cyber crap robotaxi was unveiled as its We Robot event. The electric vehicle maker also revealed a larger robovan. Yes, there was a robovan. And showcased its Optimus humanoid robot. Analysts had said prior to the event that they expected Tesla could announce a lower cost vehicle to be released next year, but the company did not mention one because there was nothing to mention. Tesla shares stumbled Friday morning as markets appeared to be initially unimpressed with the electric vehicle maker's We Robot event last night. People are starting to wake up, you see, which included the unveiling of autonomous taxi and van models. The autonomous taxi, called the Cybercrap, will go into production by 2026. Once Tesla has approval from regulators, if they get approval. And for now, they're still talking about only using high-resolution cameras, which we've seen has failed. They even killed Bugs Bunny, this this driverless technology that they have. It is faulty. It is not fit for the road. He says Tesla has approval from regulators if they get approval for its full self-driving software, which Chief Executive Officer CEO Elon Musk said should be rolled out in California and Texas by next year for its Model 3 and Model Y. Excuse me guys, so he's promising again. You'll get some robotaxi coming next year from the Model 3 and Model Y. Let me yet make another bold prediction yet again. The man is lying yet again. He will not get approval because if you're not using LiDAR as a backup system or radar or something and still only depending on driverless or on these high resolution cameras and inferior software and hardware which they have now compared to the rest of the playing field, you will not get approved. We see Waymo is already doing it, Google back Waymo. We see WeRide is doing it in China, now testing over here already in California. We see so many others already doing this. We Robot product unveilings may have been less than expected. At the event, Musk also revealed a Robovan, a larger autonomous vehicle designed to carry groups of people or cargo, along with showcasing Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot and perform other functions. The van and robot have not received official release dates. Of course not. It's another 10 years away. But Musk had said previously the Optimus would perform tasks in Tesla factories next year. Neo already has robots performing tasks. Wake up. And would be sold to other companies in 2026. Who's going to buy this junk? One factor pressuring Tesla stock could be the analysts had said they expected the company could reveal a lower cost vehicle that could be released next year. They expected this. I'm sorry, but your expectation has failed, my dear fellow lads. Webush analyst said on Friday note that the lack of a Model 2 announcement is the elephant in the room this morning, as they also acknowledged that Musk and Tesla ideally should have spent more time on details like how the robotaxi network will operate. Well, they don't even know. How can they spend time on that? However, the Webush analyst said there would be buyers on the weakness this morning as they left the We Robot event more bullish on the Tesla story. Bank of America analysts affirmed their buy rating. As the rug is being pulled out, Bank of America is telling you to buy. This is what they do. The robotaxi event lived up to the hype, Bank of America said. Yes, it's all hype. Tesla stock has been trending lower since third quarter deliveries data released last week. Beat estimates, but perhaps by not as a wide margin as investors has hoped. And now with the Onvo, the Model Y killer, Zeekr also released a Model Y killer. What do you think will happen with their sales? With Firefly coming as well. Keep buying if you choose. Money-making Mitch will not buy. The EV maker faces another catalyst for its shares later this month when it reports third quarter earnings. So the third quarter earnings will probably be good because Onvo and the other competition did not release yet when their third quarter earnings. But now, with their earnings going forward after that, they will be crumbling like the walls of Babel. Tesla shares, which recently fell back into negative territory for the year, were down more than 8% at 218 soon after the markets opened on Friday. This story had been updated and now it's way lower than that, with the latest share price information and Bank of America analyst comments. So Bank of America is trying to tell you, you should buy, guys. Don't worry about it. And while everything that is happening is telling you otherwise. So a lot of other people came out and gave their basically what they believe is happening with the company and how they feel about the event. There was a lot of professors in technology over here in America giving their comments on what they felt, and to put it mildly, they were not impressed. Just like I knew this was going to happen. So I hope you guys found this video and now give Money Making Mitch a little bit of credit because I saw it coming. Tesla is going to collapse and this is just the beginning. Now, the humanoid robot that he said he expect that will be in households in the future, understand this, guys. These things will cost so much money. We're talking about probably $1 million for one in 20 years from now. I'm not saying the man doesn't have vision, but what he's planning to implement is going to take many, many years in the future. I hope you guys found this video to be informational. If so, guys, do not forget to hit that thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so. Because in this channel, we're waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.